Unveiling the kitchen phrase, add the vegetables. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning with ease and fun. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a phrase you might encounter in both everyday life and cooking shows alike. Add the vegetables. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting nuances that come with it. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this seemingly simple instruction. Add the vegetables is a directive phrase that, on the surface, seems straightforward. It instructs someone to introduce vegetables into whatever process or dish is being prepared. But let's break it down further. Add implies including something else that wasn't there before. It's an action that changes the composition of whatever you're making or doing. The vegetables refers to a specific group of vegetables that have likely been mentioned or are understood in the context of the conversation or recipe. This phrase is commonly used in cooking scenarios, whether you're following a recipe, watching a cooking show, or receiving instructions from someone else in the kitchen. The meaning and implication of add the vegetables can vary greatly depending on the context. In a recipe, it implies a specific step in the cooking process. The vegetables are usually prepared in a certain way: chopped, diced, sliced, and are to be added at a specific moment to achieve the desired culinary result. In casual conversation, the phrase could be used more loosely. For example, if someone is making a salad and you suggest, add the vegetables, you're simply proposing they include more variety or quantity of vegetables. Cultural nuances. In different cultures, the term vegetables can encompass a wide range of ingredients, some of which might not be considered vegetables elsewhere. Always be mindful of these differences, especially in multicultural settings. To truly grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Following a recipe. After sautéing the onions for 5 minutes, add the vegetables and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. 2. Instructing someone. If you're cooking with a friend, you might say, "Can you add the vegetables to the soup now?" This is a direct instruction to include the vegetables in the ongoing cooking process. 3. Giving suggestions. When planning a meal, suggesting, "Let's add some vegetables to our pizza topping," is a way of incorporating more ingredients into the dish. Understanding phrases like, add the vegetables, enriches your English vocabulary and prepares you for a variety of real-life situations, especially those involving cooking or food preparation. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this phrase in different contexts. Cooking is not only about following recipes but also about communicating effectively in the kitchen. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little flavor to your language skills as well as your dishes. Happy cooking and learning, everyone!